This is just a few minutes of the backyard of the Dougherty Garden. Just capturing. There's 4 varieties of birds out there. Blackbird, doves that have made a nest back there. Well, also got cool squirrels, bluebirds. The big white ibis is back there somewhere walking around. Oh, he's on the left part of the screen. If he comes in, you'll see him with that little left side of the screen is there eventually. And here goes blackbirds. There was a ton before, now all of a sudden they disappeared. There's a little blackbird to the left of the Cuban royal palm tree out there. There's a Bismarcky in front of it. There's a few more blackbirds running it. Got a little water city bird's nest out there. Bird bath, sorry. Trying to be quiet because noise disturbs these little darlings. And I had a turtle back there the other day burying some eggs. I'm not sure if that white and brown one is, but we just had a bluebird and a blackbird fighting over something on the right-hand side there. They're very active today for some reason. Hope you're capturing this. Try not to move the camera, but let's see what happens. If there's anything out there. There they are. I see at least 3 blackbirds up there. Trying to see if there's anything else running around. Doves are rather quiet today. I saw a papa dove back there looking for nesting material. And what else? There comes a blackbird flying over. Trying to be too quiet. All right, let me see how much we got. We just got under 2 minutes. Maybe we'll go a little while long. I'm trying to see that. There's a squirrel. Oh, wait, see the little house in the back? Just to the left of the back is a stump, and there's a squirrel on top of it. He takes up all the queen palm seeds. For some reason, he got a fetish for palm seeds. But he's back there now, and 2 of his friends are playing further back in the preserve area. And let me see if I see anything else going on back here. I'll just go, and that's busy. We'll see. Here goes full of blackbirds back there. See anything? It's a moment in time. We've got 2.5 minutes. Maybe I'll let it go for another 30 seconds. And this is for the nurture freaks out there, including me. I'm trying to see what's going on out there. I guess we'll have a little quiet moment. It was a flurry activity, not just nothing.